Hi everyone, welcome and happy fall. It's Allison here to share with you gentle and grounding equinox yoga. The equinox is the balance of light and darkness, the energies of the east and west, and people don't realize that we embody the sacred directions. The front of the body aligns with the east, the intuition, the back with the west, harvest and completion. This practice incorporates movements and poses to help us feel and balance those forces within us. Let's begin lying on the back in Shavasana. Let's start by taking some deep and conscious breaths into the belly and into the heart, into the spine, into the waist and side body. Think about creating space with every breath. On your next breath in, extend the arms overhead and arch the back away from the earth. As you exhale, bring the knees into the chest, cupping your kneecaps with the hands. Creating circles, press the knees away. As you exhale, knees go wide and circle them in towards the belly. Just moving, opening the hips. When you're ready, switching directions, drawing the knees in close, circling them wide and away. Moving with the breath. Taking your time. Try to keep the low back and the shoulders grounded. Really feeling these motions in the hips, maybe also in the knees and elbows. As you exhale, set the feet down with knees bent. Bring the soles together and let the knees open wide. Rest your hands on your belly and breathe. As you breathe in, reach the arms overhead, and then goalpost bend the elbows out to the sides, letting the palms shine up. Inhaling, lift the head. Turn it to the right. As you exhale, set it down. Breathe into this subtle stretch to the neck. Keep the jaw relaxed. Breathing in, switch, lift your head, turn it to the left and set it down. This brings a gentle twist into the neck without pulling the neck out of alignment with the rest of the spine. On your inhale, back to center and straighten the legs. From here, reach the arms up to the sky over the shoulders. Breathing in, make fists and tense in the arms. Think about pulling with resistance down to the heart. Once you land there, exhale out the mouth. Inhale, reaching up, squeeze the fists, tensing, pull down towards the heart. Out the mouth, release. This is a kundalini practice for drawing energy into the heart, creating awakening. On your next breath in, reach overhead and then draw the knees into the chest, holding onto your shins for happy baby. Reach through the knees, grabbing the arches or the ankles or even the backs of the thighs. I'll show you those modifications here. Holding on to the backs of the thighs, keeping the knees wide. Or reaching up for the ankles. They feel just as good and are really neutralizing for the spine. Hold on to your right leg and let the left leg go. Bringing that foot to the mat with the knee bent. Resting your hand at the hip crease. This is half happy baby. If you'd like, you can extend the left leg. Just keep breathing into the stretch. Exhale back to happy baby, bringing the left leg in. Exhale, the right foot comes to the mat, resting your right hand right on the hip. You can stay there or extend the right leg. Keep the shoulders on the mat. This helps the heart stay open. Let the breath be full and into the belly. Exhaling, release. Bring the knees into the chest. Hold on to the backs of the knees, and you can take some rock and rolls up to a comfortable seat, or simply roll to one side and push yourself up. Find a cross-legged seat with a tall spine, and bring the hands together at the heart. Interlace the fingers and exhale, press the palms away, rounding the spine. Inhale, sweep the arms behind you to interlace and open your heart, lifting your chin. Exhale, hands to heart, interlace and press. Inhale, sweep the arms behind you, interlace and pull the shoulders open. Flow with your breath. Think cat-cow with this movement. Opening chest and belly on the inhales. Creating space down the length of the spine on your exhales. Moving with the breath, maybe it feels good to close the eyes. You can really drop into what's happening in the body as you flow. Next time you press the palms away, inhale them up to the sky. Soften the elbows a little bit to send the hands back. Shoulders drop away from the ears. Feel yourself rooted through your seat and light through the arms. For these last moments, draw the low belly and low ribs in. Exhale to slowly release the hands, and we'll come onto all fours into tabletop. Moving again through cat-cow motions. As you inhale, drop the belly, open the heart through the arms, look forward. Exhale, tuck the tailbone, round the spine, bringing the chin to the chest. Slow and conscious, just move with the breath. And then finding a neutral tabletop spine, inhale the right arm to the sky. Exhale, thread it through. Rest your right shoulder down. You can crawl your left hand forward. And if you'd like, you can extend your left leg, keeping the toes tucked, or maybe lift that heel up to the sky. This is a pretty tricky balance shape, so no worries if you're a little wobbly. Exhaling, bring the left knee down, the left hand in front of the face, sweep your right arm all the way up, and exhale to tabletop. Flowing through a round or two of cat-cow, just to reset the spine. Inhaling to your neutral spine, reach your left arm up, inhale. Exhale, threading it through, resting your left cheek down. Walk your right arm forward, and if you'd like, you can just stay here in this twist, or extending the right leg, tucking the toes, or floating up. And if you are floating up, keep that foot flexed and the leg nice and firm for full engagement. Exhale, slowly bring the knee down, the right hand in front of the face, and inhale, sweep the left arm up. Exhale to tabletop. Again, a flow through cat-cow just to reset. Exhale, angry cat the spine, and slowly shift the hips back for child's pose. If the head doesn't rest down, stack the hands under the forehead. If the head does rest, you can take classic balasana, letting the arms wrap back by the sides. Breathe space into each notch of the spine. Soften the forehead and the jaw. On your next breath in, slowly press up and just sweep your legs around in front of you. And here we'll just massage the legs. You can rub them or pound them, whatever feels good. And then bending the right knee in, cross the right foot over the left leg. Place the right hand behind you. Inhale, reach the left arm up and then wrap it around your knee for a twist. Look over your back shoulder. Nice deep breaths, keeping a tall spine and an open heart. Inhale back to center, bringing both hands behind you, fingertips pointing out to the side. Plant the feet and inhale, lift your hips for upward or reverse table. Feel the throat, the heart, and the hip flexors open. Exhaling, set the seat down, extend the legs, preparing for our second twist. Bending the left knee in, cross the foot over. Place the left hand behind you, reach the right arm up, inhale. Exhale, wrap the arm around as if you're hugging that knee in towards the chest. Look over the back shoulder and keep that front foot flexed, the toes pointing up. Inhale, unwind to center. Hands behind you, this time fingertips forward. Planting the feet, inhale, lift the hips. Opening up to the sky. You can stay in reverse or upward table or extend the legs for upward plank. And if you're taking upward plank, which is pretty fiery, try to bring the toes to the mat. As you exhale, bring your seat back to the mat. Bring the soles together and the knees wide. Hold on to your ankles, take a deep breath in, lift your heart. And as you exhale, fold heart to toes. Keep the neck long and neutral. Inhaling, rise up and find a cross-legged seat. Take your right hand and simply plug the right nostril with your right thumb. So only your left nostril is free to breathe in and out. This is a soothing lunar pranayama or breath technique. Just keep breathing deeply and smoothly in and out of the left nostril. By sending breath to the left or the lunar side, we're signaling to the body that it's time to slow down and relax. The eyes can be closed, or maybe your eyes are just barely open. Just a few more rounds of breath. As you exhale, set the hand down and take a moment to feel what it's like to breathe through both nostrils, soft and clear. And then with as little disturbance as possible, lie on the back, returning to our starting shape, Shavasana. It is said that for the spring equinox, we plant seeds, but for the fall equinox, we grow roots. Feel the parts of the body that are touching the earth. And from each of those points, little roots sprout and then dig deep into the ground, anchoring you, nourishing you. The earth is giving you everything that you need in this moment. Breathe softly and take your rest. Stay here for as long as you like. But if you're ready to transition back, bring the feet to the floor, wiggle the toes. Feel the earth under your feet. Inhale, stretch the arms overhead and roll onto your right side, using the bottom arm like a pillow for your head. As you inhale, press up and find a comfortable seat, connecting the sit bones with the earth, hands at heart center. Feeling aligned and grateful. Thank you so much for practicing with me and for celebrating this beautiful time of year with me. Let's bow as we say, Namaste. Have the most amazing day. I will see you soon.